as a matter of fact. I'm going to put these two here. The blue one. And so all I did was layer 3 of those, the same tags that I put in there. Or maybe I can just do 2. Maybe the 2, or the 3, like that. Put these up lower and then put that one. And then these will stay in there. Yeah, this goes in here. And so now it looks like a cute little thing. Besides, I still have to decorate here. Like I said, I'll probably be putting her name on there. So I will leave it blank for now because I don't want to disclose who she is. It's a surprise for her. So I hope that you understood the tutorial. If you have any questions, any concerns, leave them down below and I will get back to you. It's a quick and easy project that even a beginner can do. Please don't hesitate to ask me anything and I'll get back to you. I will answer you. I hope you have a good day and that you decide to do a little happy mail for one of your friends. Hope you have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye.